right, looking at Facebook right now, the share's down about 1.5%, which is a little less than you would think, given the fact that right now we're getting reports that a lot of that compromised data and information was getting in the hands not only of device makers, but the Chinese, and a number of Chinese firms at that. Here to keep us up on all of this and what's going on in Facebook land and what could happen down the road, Christina Partsinevelos, and, of course, Susan Lee. Christina, to you first. What's going on here? What's going on is that investors are essentially yawning at this because it's not. Yeah, this isn't the first time. You had Cambridge Analytica. The stocks dropped quite a bit. It was a big buying opportunity. You're still seeing positive reaction from the street. A lot of analysts saying, "Forget this." Users aren't deleting Facebook at all. If anything, just look at the long-term potentials of the company. They're investing in AI. They're connecting all of
artificial intelligence.
Yeah, exactly. Artificial intelligence. There's so much long-term potential, especially when you look at the fundamentals. It's a relatively cheap stock. And so you have a lot of analysts right now that are positive.
You know, it's just that maybe people just don't make a big deal of it.
Well, I think when you're down in an up market on a day when the Dow crosses 25,000, there is inherent regulatory, reputational risk being priced into the stock at this point. So, yes, we did have hedge funds pricing in. Yes, we do have analysts pricing and predicting the stock to hit over $200 each. But still, you know, you got to think at some point, when does regulation come in? When do we get more congressional hearings? When does Facebook get broken up, or if they have to face
yeah, they want Zuckerberg back on Capitol Hill now, right?
Yeah, so
that what they're talking about?
That is a good point. That's the biggest concern right now, the trust factor, the trust with you and I. I don't know, I still have Facebook. I didn't delete it. The deleting Facebook hashtag didn't really resonate. And then the second thing is trust on Capitol Hill and whether they're going to be light on regulation going forward. Facebook wants that, but given this additional event that happened, that's, you know, riskier.
I don't know if you open your Facebook today, but when I opened my Facebook, it had this list of, you know, do you want to continue sharing, say, your data? Do you want your friends' information to continue to be shared? They just wanted to remind you that you can opt out of these privacy settings on the app itself.
Do they give you an option to opt out altogether?
Yeah, apparently.
And apparently not a number of people, not a large number, have been doing that.
No, they haven't. In fact, even if you do opt out, I think the story reminds us that even if you have opted out, your data is still being shared by the hardware device makers like Apple, like Samsung, and now some of these
wasn't
Chinese
Tim Cook
names.
making a big deal of that when he was ripping Facebook, that they don't do that kind of stuff, but apparently the firm scooped up a lot of it, right?
Oh, yeah, they did. But they claim, and this is Facebook's statement today, that the information was stored on the devices, the smartphones and the tablets. It was not stored on the server. So we have to trust Facebook's word on this, that none of our information was shared with any of these companies to use for.
Do you guys mind that? Is it a risk? Do the benefit of these technologies outweigh? Yeah.
I think there should be some clarity, though, in terms of what we're talking about, because when we talk about data sharing in this specific case with the hardware device makers, it's because you opt in to make the use of Facebook easier on your iPhone, on your Android devices. You choose to use Facebook. And
see, I don't think your generation cares.
No, and I
just think you like the ease and the technology they use.
I want to give an example really quickly. There's a company called KeyMe, and I was just willing to scan my thumbprint just so that my keys could be saved in a machine, so that if I lose my keys, they can, you know, they can pop out of the machine. It's at Bed Bath & Beyond. And I lost my keys last week, and it just scanned my fingerprint, and out came my house keys. So I'm giving, and I realized that I'm giving up my fingerprint, Facebook, everything. Why? For ease and communication and getting likes on Facebook and Instagram, right?
It's the old Twilight Zone cookbook episode, ladies. I don't know. I get very concerned.